Good morning. Today I shall discuss about algebraic algebraic identities. So first of all, I shall discuss about algebraic identities. Algebraic identities algebraic identity and algebraic identity is an algebraic equation that is true for all the values of variable occurring in it. Algebraic identity. An algebraic identity is an algebraic equation that is true for all the values of variables occurring in it. For example, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We take another example. X plus 2y whole square is equal to x square plus 4xy and plus y square. Both are algebraic identities. Check it. This is an algebraic identity or not. So we check the first identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab and plus b square. For check, we put any values of a and b in LHS and in RHS. So put in a is equal to something. Suppose we take 1 and b is equal to 2. First we put the value of a and b in LHS. Now LHS is equal to how much? At the place of a is 1, since a is equal to 1, and b is equal to 2, so 1 plus 2 whole square. Now the same value a and b will put in the RHS, then you will get 1 square a square, so this is 1 square plus 2ab, 2 at the place of a is 1, at the place of b is 2, and plus 2 whole square. Now this is equal to what? This is 1 plus 2, 3 square, and is equal to 1 plus 2 to the 4 plus 4, and this is 9, and this is also 9. Here we get that LHS and RHS are equal. So this a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, we put the another values of a and b. Suppose a is equal to, we put a is equal to put A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3 in the same identity, then again you will get the same value of LHS and RHS. A plus B, so 2 plus 3, A plus B whole square is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 whole square is equal to 25. And in RHS, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So again we put the same values of A and B. A is equal to 2, so this is 2 square plus 2 and the value of A is 2 and B is 3 and plus 3 whole square. Now this is equal to 4 plus 12 and plus 9 and this sum is again 25. So here we get LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, we can put the any values of A and B, then you will get in each case the value of LHS is equal to the value of RHS. So identity is an algebraic equation that is true for all the values of the variable occurring in it. Now, what is the difference between an identity and an algebraic equation? So, difference between an algebraic equation and an algebraic identity. As you know that equation has definite number of solutions, 1, 2, 3 and so on. What you have seen that algebraic identities are satisfied by all the values of variable. So identities has many solutions. So this is the main difference between an algebraic equation and an algebraic identity. Equation has definite number of solutions and identities are satisfied by all the values of variables occurring in it. Now some important identities are, I am writing some important identities. First, A plus B whole square. This is the first identity. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is the first. And now the second, A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB and plus B square. And now third, A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. And fourth, X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B into X and plus AB. And fifth identity is A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus twice AB plus twice BC and plus twice CA. These are identities, and you have studied these identities in class 7 and 8, and you have also used in the expansion of algebraic expression, factorization of algebraic expression. What I want to repeat again one by one. First identity is a plus b whole square. These identities, all identities are very important for expansion of algebraic expression, for the factorization of algebraic expression, to find the value, or to find the product of two numbers by using these identities. So everyone should remember now a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion. This is the expansion form of a plus b whole square. And the factorization of a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square is, you can write a plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square is written as a plus b into a plus b. This is the factorization form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now first we see expansion, how we can expand in the form of a plus b whole square. Suppose 2x plus 3y, and we have to a whole square, we have to expand. So first we compare from this, then you will you find that at the place of a is 2x and at the place of v is 3y. Now a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I replace that in a square by 2x and b by 3y. Then you will get that 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Now this is equal to 4x square plus 12xy and plus 9y square. This is the expansion form of 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Now I will discuss the remaining identities in next video. Thank you.